Python certification preparation. Python certification benefits. Python certification proves that you have relevant knowledge and skills. Python certification document proof shows that you have relevant skills or knowledge in latest Python changes. You are considered as expert from your team, competing with you, that you have some specialized skills or knowledge. The reason for taking Python certification is to differentiate general programmers from certified experts. You may get additional benefits like getting a good job, salary hike, designation changes, role changes, and higher promotion. Before starting your Python certification preparation, the Python certification exam tests your programming skills and it requires good preparation on each and every exam section. Download PyCharm and work out more program examples. Study, code, and then start your practice. Don't rush into practicing with mock exams before you get good knowledge in Python certification exam syllabus. Collect your own study notes. Take pocket diary or pocket-sized papers to note important highlights, and it will be very useful for quick preparation. Play with more programs. Create folder structure for each exam topic and maintain your code for future reference. Play more with your program examples and study well on each exam objective. Do more research on when error or exception will be raised, changes in which line will create success or failure, what will be the output, etc. Remember that your real exam does not allow you to compile or run the code. You just write calculation or logic flow in a paper to come up with the result. So practice more on your programs and improve your knowledge to know the result of a program without running the code. Practice with mock exams. If you have completed all these steps successfully, you are ready to prepare with Python certification practice tests. Try with free mock exams first and then work out your practice questions covered in your preparation book. MyExamCloud Python certification practice tests are best for your preparation even if you are not followed above steps. It has covered each and every topic with brief explanations. Random test is the best practice tool. The real exam has limited number of questions from vast syllabus, so you must finalize your preparation with couple of random tests to know where you are. MyExamCloud Final Random Test extract questions from huge question bank to test your skills. Visit official page of Python certification preparation courses.
Join MyExamCloud and take free practice tests for Java and Python.